Can we help you with anything?
Unless you got like an energy drink or something. A little thirsty.
Nope.
All right, cool. No, I'm good then.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
What you doing?
Just working on something. Yeah.
Working on what? For who?
Yeah, I really can't get into that right now. Kind of just in the middle of it.
You can work on it from out there.
Oh, no.
Just as easy. You got a telephoto lens.
Yeah, I prefer to work on it here. I appreciate the suggestion, though.
Be a better suggestion.
What's that?
Work from out there. You got telephoto lens.
Oh, why do you think it'd be better to work from there?
Better view.
Ooh, I totally disagree with that. I mean,
Okay.
way better from here.
And you're working on some sort of top secret stuff? You can't tell us what it is?
Well, right now, yeah. I mean, if you got a business card or something, I'd be happy to email you later.
Do you have one?
No, I don't.
We'd be more than happy to email you.
No, I'm good.
Okay, well, since you don't want to divulge who you are or why you're here, you should probably just go ahead and leave.
I'm good.
Take
Again, I
pictures
really
from out
appreciate
there-
the suggestion.
Out there on the public access.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So you're of the mind this
Public
isn't...
access is out there at the main road.
So you're of the mind this isn't public access? You pretty confident of that?
Yeah.
Are you? Okay.
Yeah, you can check with Seattle or Buren PD or the Port of Seattle PD.
Buren
They'll tell you the same
PD.
thing.
I think you might be profoundly confused right now about several things.
No, Buren and Port of Seattle have jurisdiction out there.
Oh, yeah, out there. I completely
Yeah, that's
agree.
what I said. If you talk to them, they'll tell you the same thing. The public access is down there.
I'm good. Again, really
Okay,
appreciate
well, have a nice day. Goodbye.
Yeah, I'll be staying here.
Goodbye.
You may work for a private security company or firm that is contracted by the government. And at that point, you work for me and him, all the people that are driving in. That's how it works, man.
No.
Look, you're a really salty, angry man. I get it. You're going to try to hide behind the I'm being civil and all that. And to an extent, you are. But you're being highly inappropriate right now.
If you say so.
That's how it is, man.
Okay.
And the blocking dance that you're doing, if what I just heard is accurate and you did in fact serve, I don't know what you
I would
served,
like
but
to
it
point
wasn't
out
the
one thing.
Constitution.
Everything that you just said is a two-way street, Mr. Inappropriate.
Oh no, I'm absolutely allowed to be inappropriate even if someone were to deem my actions to be inappropriate. I don't work for the government. I don't work for you. I don't work for anyone. I work for myself. You, however, work for a private security firm that is contracted by the United States federal government. So actually you work for everybody. It's not a two-way street.
Okay.
I think you
we
need
can
to
let people review the
I
tape
think
and
you
see
need
if
to
I'm
go
being
back.
inappropriate or not.
Yeah, it'll
So
go out.
have a nice day.
I'm not leaving. And there's nothing you can do to make that happen.
Did I tell you to leave? I said have a nice day.
Oh, you were trying to
See,
cajole
you're
me
reading
to
words into everything
out
that I
to
say,
the
trying to make it
public
twisted on your
space.
tape.
You initially said it wasn't the publicly accessible area. You said that's the publicly accessible area. So I'm going to
No,
tell
I
you
said
how a few
that's the
things are
public
going to be.
access down there.
So I'm going to tell you how a few things are going to be today. You're going to watch me do what I do. You're going to do nothing about it. You're going to sit there and you have a big old glass of McLove in it. That's how this is going to go down today. You understand?
If you insist.
That's exactly how this is going to go down today. Nothing's
you
going to
insist.
change. You have zero authority here. You're not going to do anything about
Why are
it.
you hiding your face?
What are you, the clothing police? You tell people how to dress?
No, I was just wondering why you're hiding your face.
He was curious.
You're
We're allowed to ask
You're
questions,
afraid for
so-
people to be seen?
Yeah, but you know, the context of how you're asking this, your demeanor, which seems to be escalating and whatnot. Come on, man.
Why would I be escalating? I'm behind the fence.
I completely agree. Why would you be escalating
So
this?
why are you afraid to hide your face?
Whoever said I was afraid
Why
to
are you hiding your face? Why are you
Because
afraid
I
to
want
show
to
it?
wear this because it's a little cooler out today.
Right.
That's why people wear jackets. when
You're
it's
from
cooler.
Florida. Okay.
I could be. I could be.
So if you're not afraid to show your face, why don't you just take your mask off?
No.
There's lots of cameras around here watching.
Yeah, I don't dance to your tune. What are you, some ancient medieval bard who does screenplays or something?
Hey.
Playwright?
Just throwing it out there, making sure it's on the recording that you're afraid to show your face.
Come to
Which I know
whatever-
you're going to cut all this stuff
You
up
can come to whatever
because you won't
conclusion-
show the whole tape to anybody
Why would I cut it out?
because your kind of people don't do that. They
My
cut
kind of
they cut
people.
everything out.
My kind of people?
Yeah.
What's my kind of people?
The First Amendment audit people that don't quite understand that the same thing you do is the same thing that terrorists do when they start trying to case a place to actually do a terrorist event.
A First Amendment audit.
Yes.
Okay. You want to elaborate?
You know exactly what that is. You're auditing your ability to utilize the First Amendment to do whatever you damn well please.
Well, it is a journalist's First Amendment liberty to go somewhere and work on a story.
Oh, so now you're a journalist. Who do you work for?
Myself. I own a media company.
Oh, okay. So you're not a journalist. What's the name of your company?
Why would I
Do you
share
have a
that with
business
you?
card?
I do. I'm not going to share it with you.
Why not? Oh, you're afraid. That's
Good
right. You're afraid to
God,
let us
man.
know who you are.
You're old enough to where you should have gone through
Gotcha.
civics back in the early 1910s, man. Come on, get with the program. Remember back then when they taught you that there were 10 individual liberties in the Bill of Rights? And one of those, the fourth, allows people to be secure in their papers, effects, right? You are a security contractor for the federal government. Why would I willingly go and give you information? I mean, seriously, you may want to do a breathalyzer test on this guy or field sobriety test. Are you drunk? Come on, man, get with it. And I'll tell you what, give you $100 bucks.
Are you drunk?
$100 right
Are
now.
you on drugs?
Which agency at any level of government issues press credentials?
Nobody.
By golly. It's almost, it's almost like Jimmy and Tommy and George. When all those guys were getting together to write the Constitution and everything and get those first 10 amendments, the individual liberties squared away, it's almost like they wanted the government to be taking the back seat where they belong and everyone that works for them. I wonder if that's what's going on here today. That's indeed what's happening. Jimmy and Tommy and George and all those really good Americans actually ended up doing things that secured our liberties in a way that all the nonsense that you're spewing is pointless, meaningless, and has no authority behind it. And that's you sitting there with egg on your face, dealing with it. And that's all that's going to happen. So maybe what you should do, if you want to be professional, is stop standing there looking silly like you are right now. Get out of my way so I can get my photo and video footage. Stop being unprofessional and go about your day. I'm not doing anything. I'm not a threat to anyone. I'm not going to do the terrorist activities or whatever it is.
That's the point. Okay?
Well, you don't need to know.
Okay.
You don't need to know.
I don't need to know that a terrorist is planning an attack on this facility.
You don't need to do it by violating my liberties. You know?
They're over here.
Yeah,
All we
come
did
on.
was ask you
Come on,
to
guys.
go
Come
there.
on. Just, I know you're struggling to keep up with the conversation here, but however, you should be able to make sense of the context of everything that's going on and probably understand
Then a guy
this
comes
is
up
not
to-
what a terrorist does. They don't walk up
Okay.
and record and take photos of their pre-terrorist activities and then have a civics conversation with two contracted security guards.
Or
Shows
they
how much
might,
you know.
if they want to try to make it look like they're not
Hold on a
doing
minute.
that, right?
You're telling me you get terrorists to show up here regularly and have these civics conversations with you?
Who said regularly here? I'm saying that it happens.
It does.
And it has happened.
Okay, where has that one happened before? Look, I get it, man. Actually, you've shocked me. You've surprised me. I didn't see the long game comedy routine showing up here. Really be rolling out some goodies. I mean, that's a classic. I agree. You should probably be hitting all the clubs with that line. But that seems completely farcical,
Okay.
Jarvis.
you
Very,
say
very
so.
farcical. Jesus.
Whatever you say, Bob.
Wow. That is some good silliness. Well, I'm going to go over here.
First Amendment audit?
What's that?
Is this a First Amendment audit?
Oh, actually, I'm a journalist here working on a story about this facility.
I guess it would still be a First Amendment audit since, the right of the press
Well,
is
I
a
guess an
First
aud-
Amendment thing, right?
An audit would be something that, is testing whether there's failures. Now, I would argue a more reasonable approach would be, just come out, have a friendly conversation. Don't assume everybody's here deciding they want to commit Class A felonies, federal offenses, or whatever. Maybe just ask a question instead of having Captain Killer.
The funny thing is he did, and you told him it was top secret. He wasn't allowed to say.
I didn't say it was
So-
top secret. I said I couldn't divulge it now. However, I gave a really good alternative that's not unreasonable.
So if you want to set your coward, why you're not showing your face?
Okay, great job, guys.
Is that how the
Toodles.
professional
Huh?
stuff works? Is that how
Yeah,
the
no, I'm
professional
calling you out. You're a coward. Show your face.
stuff- Show my face.
Or you run out of room on your card there? Or are you making sure it's still recording?
No, I'm actually just turning on the body camera.
Okay. Jesus, you mean it wasn't on before?
No, didn't have
God, what an amateur. Should have been on when you approached.
Woo! Man, you are an angry dude. Literally,
No.
whatever happened to you, man, I
Just
sympathize.
throwing out the facts.
I sympathize.
That's what
with
you want is facts, isn't it?
Well,
So let's
it's
show
true. I
everybody
didn't
you're not-
delineate between salty facts and facts. I mean, you are throwing out the salty
Yeah,
facts.
I'm just waiting for you to show everybody you're not a coward and show your face. Dark glasses.
certainly
mask.
certainly
no
not
COVID
gonna
around
fall
here,
prey
you know.
to the 5-year-old action time sequence stuff here.
Okay.
Terrorists, just from my understanding, from what I've seen in the news, the way that they behave, the things that they do not equate to my behavior.
No, but they could utilize your video just as easily as their own.
Oh my God!
Right?
Look,
Could they or could they not?
They absolutely
it's an honest
could.
question. I'm asking.
they absolutely could. But
Okay.
here's the thing, and
So how does that help me help you?
and I'm happy to explain it because
Please.
between two Americans here, freedom is messy and freedom can be scary, and that's just how it goes. What we
Absolutely.
should not do is use excuses of security to abridge liberties.
Have we told you to stop?
No,
Okay, so we're not abridging your liberty. We're just asking you to do it somewhere else, right?
that
Which
would be.
we can do.
You can ask, but
I can ask.
the whole
we didn't order you to, so
Correct.
we asked.
correct.
Right. So, if you want to utilize your liberty
Yeah.
to put everybody else at risk, why should I allow that to happen?
Because A, you don't have an ability to disallow it, and B,
Fair enough. So I shouldn't hold an opinion on it either, right?
well, and the key word you had there, to, the preposition to, implies some assignment of intent of my behavior,
Fair enough.
right? I don't have that intent to do that. So
Okay.
the idea here is to say that my intent, or to imply my intent, is to take this video footage and or still image photography.
No, but you're going to do it without thinking it through either.
I'm actually reporting on something that I got tips and leads for. I'll give you a perfect example, actually,
Please.
that'll probably make a lot of sense to you. And it was the Thurston County Juvenile Detention Facility down in Thurston County, like southern, kind of in the Tumwater area.
Okay.
All right. So I was told, now just think of a just standard jail basically, right? You've got the facility itself, the door is closed, right? Because you don't want prisoners getting out, right? And then you've usually got like an outer fence, kind of like something like this, with some fence, wire, barbed wire, concertina wire, that kind of thing, right? I was told by a tip and a lead, I'm not kidding you, that the inner door, I mean the door to the actual building itself,
Okay.
the one that would say, you can leave the jail,
Right?
was left open, and that 15 to 20 meters away, the closest gate door to the external fence was left open so that kids could come and go as they want. Now, remember, I know. You're like, see, that's what I'm saying. It's laughable,
Okay.
right? It is. It's laughable. What jailer would leave doors open to a
Right.
jail where they've been ordered by a judge to incarcerate an individual for some period of time, right?
Right.
So, I go to the Thurston County Juvenile Detention Center. Both doors are open.
Huh.
Completely open. Now, as incredible as that seems, the tips and leads I got about this place seemed unlikely, but, honestly, and I'd had this one on the back burner for, I don't know, since May or June. And I thought, nah, it's not a thing. Because about 40% of the tips and leads I get, they're not a thing.
Right.
About 60% are. And that's the point of investigative journalists, is to show up. We're not the ones that sit down and do our hair up and look good and work out 5 days a week and eat a good diet so we look, all good and dandy and everything. We're the ones that come out here with our feet on the street and dig down into the facts or misallegations and determine truth from falsehood. And that's the whole point of it. So,
All right.
yeah.
Hi, sir. I'm Officer Gonzalez, Port of Seattle Police.
Hi, Gonzalez.
How are you doing?
Well, not too shabby. Just had a... Oh, okay, I see the red flashing lights. Your body cam.
Yes, you are being audio and video recorded right now.
All right, cool.
So how can I help you?
Oh, I don't need help unless you got like a Red Bull or something, a little thirsty.
No, but this is government property and there's signs posted that says no trespassing.
Ooh, yeah. I did notice that.
Okay.
You know where those signs apply to?
Yeah, here.
No,
The property here.
beyond the fence.
No. This property belongs to the Port of Seattle Police, or Port of Seattle. Okay. Do you have business here?
I do.
What is your business?
I'm not going to explain that.
Okay. Well,
I'll help you out real quick. If you want, I guess he's probably the boss. If you want to just get the declaration form for 9A52-115, the perjury statement for trespassing, I'll take my no trespass warning now. But sir, I'll tell you right now, you're putting yourself in legal jeopardy. It really doesn't matter what Gonzalez has to say. It matters what that 6-person jury is going to say when they look at all the facts and circumstances surrounding this, the case law and whatnot for Washington State. So you can mess around and find out. And I'm happy to get on the train and drive that right into the courtroom with you in first class, okay? That's how that's gonna roll. So Gonzalez,
yes.
if we're gonna do this, I want that perjury declaration form signed by whoever it is that's declaring I can't be here with my no trespass warning. No one's getting ID. I'll leave the form under threat, or I'll leave the property under threat of arrest with the no trespass warning, and that's it. But I'm telling you right now, sir, sometimes you run across people in certain circumstances and you realize this isn't normal, this isn't how it should be, and something doesn't seem right here. It's not adding up. And I'm telling you, that 7th Amendment's gonna be a bullet train for your wallet if you do this. I will have that thing drive right over the top of you in court.
Okay.
So if you guys wanna do this, go right ahead.
Do you want to provide ID?
No, I don't. I'll take the no trespass warning though.
Okay. Would you want to provide your name?
Sure. Gandalf. Actually, here's my ID.
Gandalf the White.
One and the same. I am the same wizard.
And you're claiming that's your legal name?
It's the name I'm providing.
Okay.
So, are you going to give me a no trespass warning?
Are you refusing to leave the property?
I need a no trespass warning if I'm being trespassed. Am I being trespassed?
I'm asking you, are you refusing to leave the property?
Am I being trespassed?
Sir, I'm asking you a question. Don't answer my question.
I have to know if, I'll leave if I'm being trespassed. Am I being trespassed?
Okay. Hang on one second.
Okay. I'll leave if I'm being trespassed, happily.
Okay. Hang on. But you don't want to provide any ID?
No, 9A5280 for the trespass statute doesn't require identity. So. But if I'm being trespassed, I will leave.
Hang on.
Okay.
Would you like to talk to a supervisor?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I got no ill will for anyone here, anything like that. You want to just walk up the side here?
Would you mind stepping off the property and then we can talk over to you?
Well, I don't want to leave here because I'm working on something.
Okay.
If I am being trespassed, I will leave.
Well, I'm just asking you questions and you're answering me with questions.
Well, because it matters legally. If you're trespassing, it matters.
Hang on.
Okay.
Are you willing to walk off the property and talk with me? Yes or no?
Is that a request or an order?
It's a request.
If it's a request, I don't want to.
Okay.
But
Wonderful.
if it's like I said, if it's an order under, that I'm being trespassed, I will leave off the property right now.
Okay.
Is he the supervisor?
He is not.
Oh, okay. Yeah, if I could talk to supervisor, I'd appreciate it.
That's what I'm saying. Like, if you won't mind waiting off property, it'd be a lot easier for all of us.
I don't understand why it'd be easier.
Okay, that's fine. Sure, you're refusing to leave the property.
No, you asked me, you requested me to leave.
Yeah.
If you're ordering me off the property because I'm being trespassed, because they're asking that, I will leave.
Supervisor, I'll get you a supervisor. Just
Okay.
hang on, okay?
Appreciate it. Okay, I'm walking off the property. But you guys are saying I am being trespassed off the property?
Let me show you the map. Yes, I can show you. Do you want me to show you the map?
Oh no, I'm familiar with where the GS. What was that? What am I thinking of?
Yeah,
GIS.
the cross street right there.
Yep, totally.
So we do have a sergeant coming out. You can chat him up.
Okay.
They'll just be hanging out in the area.
Yeah, no problem. But I just want to make sure I am being trespassed under threat of arrest if I stay.
Correct.
Okay, fair enough.
Craycon property.
All right. Oh, I'm sorry. What was your name?
Justin LaRue.
Do you guys have business cards by chance?
I do.
Okay.
Do you like one?
Yeah. Can I stop and get it from you or?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Here, I'll even give you a case number. Give me a second.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Are you the supervisor? Great. Thanks for showing up.
What's that?
I said thank you for showing up.
No problem.
You have a business card, by the way?
Yeah.
If I could get one, that'd be great. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
So I am looking to, well,
You're
what
being audio and video recorded.
Oh yeah, sure, no sweat. You don't have to let me
Used
know,
to.
but I appreciate it. I'm I am looking to get what just occurred quashed by you. There is nothing that indicates that I can't go to where I was. Now, obviously, there's signs like on the fence. The indication is obviously don't go beyond the fence. They don't want you doing that. They've got a visitors area over there, so clearly they welcome the public, right? To an extent, which is the fence line. I'm an investigative journalist. I'm here working on a story. I got tips and leads about some issues in that area, and in the, like, I guess I call it the staging area beyond the fence, kind of like in front of the building itself. So I came here to get basic B-roll footage initially, maybe something more beyond that, depending on if something actually occurred relative to those tips and leads, and that was going to be it. So
is that something you can get from over here? Possibly?
No, I really do need to. I mean, my preference would be to go beyond the fence, but obviously,
Can't do that.
yeah. I mean, unless they're going to start installing pole vaulting pits and stuff and allow me to go Olympic, or let me in, that's not an option. So
yeah, definitely not going to do that.
yeah. So what I'm looking to do is to have that unlawful trespass warning quashed. It's just a civil issue right now. I don't want this to escalate, and I mean that in a civil way, not in a
Right. Yeah,
bad way.
I understand what you're saying.
I don't want this to escalate. There is no lawful predicate for them nor authority to trespass me from that particular area. Everything I was doing was lawful as a member of the press from where I was at. I never, to be
This
clear.
is an interesting situation.
How's that?
Well, they're alleging that they're the property owners or the management for that property. So where it turns into public to private property, right? So that street is not a public street.
Yeah. Okay. And let's just assume, even for a moment, that that's the case.
Okay.
Just to have a full-throated conversation and formal debate.
Gotcha.
Polite debate.
Excellent.
If that were the case, there would be something that would need to indicate that to regular members of the public and everyone else.
I would agree with you.
There is absolutely nothing that explains limits. And until there is, it would be arbitrary and capricious. And there's a volume of case law.
Well, why don't you let me go give them your argument, and then I'll come back, okay?
Yeah, and I would politely request, too, if they're going to maintain the no trespass warning, I'm not looking to go to the 3-star hotel today, right?
Right.
I would ask, though, in accordance with the statute, so the trespass statute, 1952-80, if they're trespassing me for second degree criminal trespassing, section 115 of that same chapter mandates that whoever it is that's declaring myself to be trespassed must sign that under penalty of perjury.
Understood.
I'd ask them that they do that, because that's what holds them to account.
I gotcha.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Sergeant.
So what their plan is to work on getting signage at the end of this walkway here. So
So in other words, it's publicly accessible right now.
it's yes, until they, I guess, get the sign up, if that's the way you want to look at it.
Yeah. So I can go back.
They are working actively, and let's give them a chance to do what they need to do.
No. I need to get my footage. So this is they got to put a
Can you
ring
not
on it
get
or
the
not.
footage from here to
No.
there? Like,
No, if you understood the tips and leads I had, it's pretty egregious behavior-based issues about the security. Again, I don't know if it's true, but so far a little bit of it has been true from the older security officer. The younger security officer, we had a bit of a disagreement, but whatever, that's fine. But I need to get that footage. So this is a thing where they're either going to omit the press now and commit a civil rights violation, or they're going to let me back on.
Let me just go let them know that until, like, they're working on putting the sign up. Until they get the sign up, then, I mean...
So it's quashed then?
Well, let me go talk to them and let them know that we talked about this.
I get that, but it's like quashed now or it's not quashed now, because I'd like to walk up and start getting my footage. I've already lost
it's
valuable
not worked
footage.
out. Let me work out with them what we've talked about, just like I worked out with them what they wanted to work out.
I appreciate that, Sergeant Breeze, and you seem like an incredibly nice guy, but that's giving them undue time, and it's abridging my liberty. So can I go there right now or not?
Let me just let them know you're coming, okay?
Can I go?
And then, not yet. Let me just let them know.
Yeah, I'm going to walk to the corner.
Yes, that's
I
fine.
literally need to make this quick, though, Sergeant. I'll just go tell him myself. I mean,
He doesn't want to talk to you, so he has a right not to talk to you.
he doesn't have to talk to me, but I'm going to go over there and talk to him.
Do you mind if I relay a message?
I do. he needs to hear this from me because it has a very important legal implication for him. So. Hey, sir. When that sign goes up, I'm going to come back, okay? And if I get a no trespass warning again, whoever signs that perjury declaration form is going to be civilly liable. That's the whole thing about this. Since this is a concurrent legislative district, I thought it was exclusive initially. That's exactly why these guys can be here, and that's exactly why Washington state trespass laws apply. That declaration form under penalty of perjury, whoever signs it, my attorney is going to be very happy about that. So just remember, that takes away any governmental protections you would have, like qualified immunity or anything like that. So you really need to seek counsel out before you guys do this, because this is not going to turn out well. You're putting yourself in legal jeopardy right now. Okay? I'm just telling you. And Sergeant, if I could ask a favor, because this is a weird situation right now, right?
Right.
You got port here. This is federal property, as the signs say, right? All that kind of stuff. So, because it is a concurrent legislative district, that is obviously why you guys can be here. That being said, you really may want to consider just calling the port legal counsel and asking this about this at first. You already did? Hey, Sergeant.
Yeah.
I do need to get one other piece of paper. Can I approach your vehicle? All right. Just want to make sure. Don't want you thinking I'm going to do something bad. So what I'd like to see if I can get, please, is even though that no trespass warning has been quashed, it was in effect for a period of time. Whoever it was that put that into effect, I need that declaration form.
Was there a declaration form that you signed?
No. Whoever.
Did anybody give you a signed form?
I asked Officer Gonzalez and Officers LaRue on camera for that.
Did anybody give this guy a signed form?
No, I didn't receive one.
Okay, there isn't one.
Well, they need to sign it for that period of time, or I need to file.
I don't think they did.
Okay, I need to file a criminal complaint then.
Okay.
Okay, and the criminal complaint is against, and I don't know who you spoke to, like who said I want him off the property. I assume you've got it on your body camera or whatnot. Whoever told me to get off this property unlawfully need to be taken to task for that. That's not okay. I'll give you some insight to what my tips and leads were. Is allegedly regarding females entering and exiting this facility, getting harassed. I saw 3 females come and go, and I was here to get that footage, and they abridged my liberty as press to capture that footage. And I think that is exactly why they're doing this. I think they are trying to keep me as a member of the press from capturing this misbehavior. And that is the point of the press, is to hold everyone to account. I mean, I can't imagine if you guys saw, as police officers, I can't imagine if you guys saw them, sexually harassing a female, that you guys would be down with that,
So
right? So this is something that we all need to work on.
Officer Gonzalez, are you doing a case report on this?
Hey, Officer, Sergeant asked a quick question over there.
So anyhow, my supervisor is going to make the decision. So my waiting is called.
To trespass me or not?
Well, are you willing to abide by these signs or what?
Well, the thing is he's invited me past the sign. I just asked him.
Just to this point, well, I have on a phone call.
Yeah, but I mean, past the sign is past the sign. So my thing with you is.
Well, you got another sign to go.
Yeah, that's not how it works. That's not how that works.
I play Mario Brothers.
Yeah, I appreciate that. So the thing is like either you've invited me and I could go past and I'm good and I'm welcome.
Have you invited him past these signs?
You got to make that decision, man. Yes.
And well, I did ask you for it to be right here while I make a phone call.
Yeah.
So is that technically?
Well, I mean, you don't have to, like, you have the sign there. If you want to tell him to stay behind the sign, that's fine. If he comes in, you can call us at a later time.
Just give me a couple minutes.
Okay, so I'm not trespassed. Because obviously you've invited me, but so are you trespassing me at this point or not? Because I need to go up there and continue to get
Going to
footage.
the airport?
I'd stay back here for the time being.
Okay, so you're not inviting me.
No.
I mean, it's just, it's not an incremental thing. It's like I'm trespassed or I'm not. I'm allowed on the property or not. If you ask me to leave and you tell them to trespass me with a no trespass warning in accordance with Washington state law, then you have to sign the declaration form under penalty of perjury. I will step off the property and we'll handle it in court. That's how that's going to be. It's, you can't abridge the liberty of the press, kind of, sort of. James Madison didn't write in there, except for A, B, and C. It's just freedom of the press. Just boop, a lot of freedom. Bald eagles, screaming freedom songs, all sorts of stuff. But there's no like with a permit or blah, blah, blah. So what do you want to do? I mean, the last thing you said is I'm invited. So if I'm invited, I'm going to go back there and continue.
We were hanging up the sign. I said just a minute.
Yep.
Just come over here.
And you said I could be here, past the sign. So can I, are you still welcoming onto the property or not?
For the time being, let's just go over here until I make up my mind.
So you are trespassing me?
No.
Well, if you're not are you asking me to leave? If you're asking me to leave, I want you to sign the declaration form that the sergeant has.
I don't actually have a form.
Well, it can be printed out or...
I would say you don't have to leave. You can stay beyond this sign.
I can, but I'm asking him if he's continuing to
Then
continue
he's
the...
have me fill the form and be all that way. So.
I'm either allowed on the property
it's
or
not
not.
difficult. I mean,
03740 for 20 minutes.
Look, I understand, man. I know you don't want to be in that civil jeopardy. I wouldn't want to either. But the thing is like, I have things to do because of the nature of the tips and liens. I need to cover this story. So either you're gonna trespass me or not. But the reason Washington State's legislature put this into effect is so that you can't abuse.
well, hey, listen, you don't have to
press.
trespass him. You can ask him to stay beyond the signs. If he ventures back, you can make the decision. So ask him to stay beyond the signs.
That is not how it
go
works,
back.
Sergeant. If he asks me to leave, I'm asking
He's
if he's...
asking you to stay within the boundaries.
Is that a
of the
request
signs.
or an order, sir?
Can't order you. Hold on a minute.
You can because you can trespass me.
I think he's getting clarification.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Can I come onto the property or not?
No, he's asking me to stay out beyond the signs. No.
In this video, an investigative journalist visits a Federal Aviation Administration radar facility in Washington State after receiving alleged tips about misconduct involving female employees being harassed while entering and exiting the property. The encounter immediately becomes tense when private security guards confront the cameraman and demand to know why he is filming. The journalist refuses to explain the full story while he is still investigating, arguing that he has a First Amendment right to gather footage in publicly accessible areas. One security guard becomes especially hostile, repeatedly trying to block the camera, calling the journalist suspicious, and even comparing First Amendment auditors to terrorists scouting targets. Things escalate further when the guards attempt to force the journalist off the property. The cameraman pushes back hard, explaining Washington trespass laws and warning officers and staff that unlawfully trespassing a journalist from public property could expose them to civil liability and lawsuits. He repeatedly requests proper trespass documentation under penalty of perjury if they intend to remove him. Eventually, officers from the Port of Seattle Police Department arrive and attempt to mediate the situation. After discussing the property boundaries and signage, a supervisor ultimately acknowledges the area is not clearly marked and allows the journalist to continue filming near the entrance. Before leaving, the journalist publicly questions staff about the harassment allegations that allegedly brought him to the facility in the first place. Staff deny knowing anything about it, while the cameraman promises the story is far from over and warns that future legal action could follow if his constitutional rights are violated again.
Hello, how are you guys?
Doing well.
Mind just going on the back window?
I do mind.
You working down here?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Done for work for the day? Alrighty, both U.S. citizens?
Yes.
U.S. citizens, sir?
I don't answer questions.
You actually do have to answer if you're.
I actually don't have to answer any goddamn questions because I have a Fifth Amendment right not to answer any questions.
Federal immigration checkpoint. Yes, you do have to answer
Right.
if you're a U.S. citizen.
And we're 100 miles away from the fucking border.
No, you're not.
I have not.
You're not. You're
Well, I am within the United States. I have a Fifth Amendment right not to answer any questions
this is
without do whatever the fuck you got to do.
This is a federal.
I have no statements to make, and I'm not answering any fucking questions.
You do have to answer if you're.
I don't have to answer a goddamn thing. Fifth Amendment.
Yes, you do. Actually.
I don't have to answer any fucking thing.
Right there. You do have to answer if you're a U.S. citizen.
I don't have to answer a goddamn
All right,
thing.
then you can park right up there. You
We don't have to park right up there. We'd like to be free to go on about our way.
Federal immigration inspection. You do
I
have to
understand that. And I have a federal Fifth Amendment right to fucking remain silent. I don't answer questions. Leave me the fuck alone. What the fuck do you want?
You're a citizen, yes or no?
I don't answer questions. Kick fucking rocks. Get a fucking warrant. This is being videoed.
That's fine. You can read the sign right there.
I don't need to fucking read the sign. I've read the law. I've read the Constitution.
Yes.
We're also in Texas. We're also in Texas. And I don't have to fucking ID unless I'm under arrest. So kick fucking rocks.
You're within 100 miles.
Fuck you.
All right, then park right up there.
Not gonna park up there.
Then we can call the.
Call whoever the fuck you want.
You're impeding traffic right now.
No, you're impeding traffic. We'd like to be free about it to go on our way. You're the one who is stopping us here. You're stopping us here.
Disrespect us. This is a U.S. border.
You don't need to disrespect me.
And I am attempting to conduct an immigration inspection under Section 287(a)(3 of the Immigration Nationality Act.
And I'm invoking my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Stop.
In the United States versus Martinez Fuerte, 1976, that the U.S. Border Patrol has the authority to set up permanent or fixed checkpoints.
Yes.
On public highways.
Yes. You are allowed to set up your checkpoints. I am not required.
And that these checkpoints are not a violation of the Fourth Amendment. Do you understand that?
I didn't say it was a violation of the Fourth Amendment. I'm invoking my Fifth Amendment right.
Inspection to allow us to complete the immigration inspection.
Complete your inspection.
If you do not move your vehicle, you can be arrested under Title 18.
Does that mean we're free to go? Does that mean we're free to go?
For this federal crime can be up to 1 year.
I need the names. I need the names and badge numbers of every agent present right here, right now. And I'll be FOIAing that camera's footage.
So you're not willing to move?
Oh, we're absolutely willing to move. Are you going to let us be free to go about our way?
No, not yet.
Okay, then we're going to sit here. Fifth Amendment.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Fifth Amendment.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Who are you asking? Me or
Both
him?
of y'all.
I am, yes.
You're a U.S. citizen. Are you a U.S. citizen?
I don't answer questions.
Anybody else in the back?
No.
No.
As a driver, are you willing to move your vehicle? As long as I am free to continue in my travel.
You're not free to go until he answers the question, the immigration question.
Fifth Amendment.
Okay, so neither one.
I have not crossed the U.S. border. I don't have to answer that question. I have a Fifth Amendment right, and I'm specifically invoking my Sixth Amendment right to be free from questioning without a lawyer. Sixth Amendment has been invoked. Do not ask any more questions. Sixth Amendment.
Am I showing the vehicle, officer?
You don't have to.
Okay, we're gonna have to take them out. Then we're gonna have to take y'all out. If you're not willing to move your
It's
vehicle.
company vehicle truck. I gotta.
We have to do the immigration inspection.
We have to do it.
You're welcome to f***ing inspect.
And then
Are
part of
you
the
a United States
inspection
citizen?
is the immigration aspect.
Sixth Amendment.
We just need to know if you're a United States citizen. That's all.
Sixth Amendment. Do you have reason to believe that I am not a United States citizen?
The question, sir, if you're a United States citizen, you're free to go.
Do you have reason to believe that I am not a United States citizen?
Sure, you mind stepping out?
Do what you got to do. I don't care.
It's a company vehicle.
I know. Do whatever you got to do. Don't reach in the vehicle. That's a Fourth Amendment violation.
Can you shut the vehicle, officer? You don't have any weapons or anything on you?
Don't put your hands on him. Don't put your hands on him.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. U.S. Border Patrol. Would you please remove yourself from the vehicle, sir? Otherwise, you will be forcibly removed. Thank you, sir.
Don't touch me.
Please do me a favor.
I do not consent to any searches or seizures.
10-4, sir. Put your hands on the vehicle for me.
I will not.
Okay, sir. You need you to comply at this moment, otherwise you'll be forced to comply.
What crime am I being detained for?
Martinez Fuerte, case law 2428, sir, states that any vehicle at 100 nautical miles will be inspected for...
Keep your goddamn hands off of my brother. What the f is wrong with you? I do not need to keep my hands out of my pockets. There is no law that says that I am required to keep my hands out of my pockets.
Let's calm down, all right? We don't want any problems.
I don't want any problems. Keep your goddamn hands off me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. That's assault.
It's not assault.
It is assault. Any unwanted touching is assault. I do not want to be touched by you or any of your officers. Why are you pointing a taser at me? Do I appear to be armed?
You're acting aggressive.
My hands in my pockets so that I'm not a threat.
Please take your hand out. I don't know what's in your pocket. That's what the problem is.
Keep your hands off me. Why are you touching me? Why the are you touching me? Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me?
These guys roll up to a federal immigration checkpoint in Texas, and right away, Border Patrol tries the usual script. Are you a U.S. citizen? But the driver shuts it down instantly. He refuses to answer anything and starts yelling about the Fifth Amendment and even the Sixth Amendment, demanding names, badge numbers, and trying to lawyer up on the spot. Agents warn him he's holding up traffic and order him to pull over. He refuses unless they let him go. That's when it escalates fast. Border Patrol pulls him out, tensions explode, and the passenger starts screaming while agents draw weapons and threaten force. They run a dog around the truck, call it a false hit, and after all that, they still let them go. My take? Refusing to answer is one thing, but the way he did it turned a simple checkpoint question into a full-blown confrontation. Border Patrol does have authority at fixed checkpoints to briefly ask citizenship questions. He didn't win, he just made it ugly for no reason.
Now I'm going to ask you, what are you doing? You can't tell me? You don't speak English?
Do they have to do that to people all the time in public, or is it just...
Yeah, I'm demanding the answer to you.
Okay. Well, you're not getting one.
Well, that's fine, shitbot.
Would you mind giving me some space?
Oh, that's good.
What are you, out of your mind, bro? You just walk up to somebody on a public sidewalk and grab them?
I just grab.
No, I got the whole thing on video. What the hell is wrong with you?
How about you next?
Yeah, you don't f with me, bro.
You didn't take
back
me down?
Back up. I got something else that'll take you. Just stay out of my face. You just assaulted a 17-year-old kid on the sidewalk.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you
did.
did.
I can assault an old bastard like you.
Knock yourself out, bro. If that's what you want to do, knock yourself out.
I took that camera out of my face.
I would suggest you get in your car and go about your day.
Well, really?
Yeah. And stop walking towards me.
Or what? Public
Just stop
sidewalk.
walking towards me.
Public sidewalk.
Yeah, well, you obviously don't know the rules, my friend. I would just get back in your car and go home.
I'm going to call the cops.
You're going to call the cops after you assaulted a 17-year-old kid? You're going to leave here in handcuffs. You're on 2 cameras.
Okay.
All right. Knock yourself out. I'm going to go get your plate number while you're doing that.
Go right ahead there.
Yeah, oh, I will. Well, you like threatening people? You're leaving here in cuffs today, buddy. You made a big f***ing mistake.
You guys have Bob?
Sorry?
You guys have Bob?
This young man right here, yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Just wait for me over there.
That's why we're over here. We're trying to give him some room.
Okay.
How we doing, sir?
Hi. You guys okay?
He was actually the one involved. You can speak directly to him.
Yeah, how about that? So I was standing right there on the public sidewalk, just taking some video, and the guy who was driving that silver SUV over there got out and got in my face and tried to grab me and assault me.
Do you have it on camera?
Yeah.
Are we able to see it?
Yeah, sure.
And what was the issue about?
So I was just standing there taking video, and he came up demanding answers, getting way closer than.
Oh no, sir.
Are you involved? Do you mind if I talk to you over here, please?
Am I involved? No, I was not involved.
Did you witness what happened?
I did witness what happened. Yeah, he's inside. Yeah.
The other guy's inside.
I think unless he went out the back door, he went in the office there.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit of what happened?
Well, we're out
what
here.
happened?
Yeah, we're out here taking some video on the sidewalk.
Do you mind just moving it?
No,
you can still record me. But
well, it's a very tight lens, and you're standing 2 feet. So let me back up from you a couple of feet, and then it won't be in your face. So a woman named Tammy, who works here, before this all happened, came out, saw us taking video. She came out, she said, "Hey guys, how's it going? As long as you stay on the sidewalk, you're good, no problems. Just don't come on the property." We said, "We got you, Tammy." No, yep,
Tammy?
Yep.
Okay.
So she went back inside, no issues. Then this guy goes to pull out. I guess he was done with his inspection.
So he doesn't work here?
I don't know.
That you know of?
Not that I know of. No, I'm assuming he was getting his car inspected. So he comes driving out. We were standing on the other side of the street on the sidewalk. He comes driving out, puts his window down, and says, "What are you guys doing?" So I just ignored him. I just kept doing what I was doing. And then he said, "Hey, what are you guys? What's with the cameras? What are you doing?" Just ignored him. So then he gets out of his car. This is my son, who's 17 years old, by the way. So he assaulted a minor. Walks up to him and says, "What are you doing with the cameras? What are you recording?" And my son said something.
Walks up to your son?
Yeah. I was about, I don't know, 5-10 feet behind him. So he said something to the effect of, "Well, what are you filming for? What are the cameras for?" Something. I don't remember. We'd have to watch the video. And my son just said, "I'm not interested in answering your questions. I'm just doing what I do." And the guy walked up, grabbed his hand, and started pulling him in towards him.
So he reached, grabbed your son's hand?
Yes. Yep.
He's 17?
He's 17, yep.
He's 17.
Yeah, he's a minor.
Okay, well, where's his parents?
I'm his father.
You're his father?
It's your choice.
Do you want to prosecute for any charges?
Yeah, absolutely.
You're the father, so
yep,
you
he
take
walked up and grabbed him, and then the guy grabbed his hand, was pulling him in towards him. Love Nebo's, by the way, good flashlight.
Okay.
And then my son did what he had to do. He took his pepper spray out, sprayed him.
Do you have the recording about what happened?
He's got it, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, one of us he'll show you his, and I'll keep recording.
Why are you guys here recording?
Why am I here recording?
Yeah,
just doing what I do. That's what I do for a living.
That's what you do for a living?
Yes. So we're doing a little story about the emissions.
Okay.
Yeah. And like I said, we never went on their property. No issues with the employees.
No problems with employees, but this...
The employee actually came out and said, "You guys are fine doing what you do. Just don't come on the property." We said, "No problem."
Thank you, sir.
Yep. No, thank you. And can I just get your name and badge number so I know who I
It's
spoke to?
right here. He does.
I can't read.
1028.
Okay.
63.
1028. Okay.
Okay. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you right now.
All right. No, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
What was this gentleman wearing? Just stand by. I'll give you the information.
He's a tall guy. He's maybe, I don't know, 6'3", 6'4".
He hasn't left.
I think he's got a gray T-shirt on. He went in there. That's his vehicle parked right there. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, here they come, fellas.
Can you guys wait on the sidewalk, please?
Oh, I'm trying to hide behind the shade of your car.
Let's go in the shade, then. I don't want you to get hit by a car.
Oh, I won't get hit.
Can we go on the sidewalk, please?
Well, I don't want to stand in the sun.
Well, we can't be standing in the street as pedestrians, so let's go on the sidewalk.
Can't be standing in the street as pedestrians.
Yeah.
All right, so what are we doing with this guy?
So he's gonna get charged for assault.
Okay.
Okay. We have the video on that actual camera there.
So you watched the video?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Let's. I don't.
All
want
right, sure. Yeah, no problem. I just don't. You can understand with my pale skin. I don't want to.
Do. I work in the sun all day, so I hear you. We can walk over here in the shade if you want.
Okay, sounds good.
I'm okay with that.
Very good. And I'm sorry. I didn't ask you. Can I just ask your name and
Santa
badge?
Maria 49996.
49996. Thank you,
Three
sir.
nines in there. Okay.
Appreciate that.
So yeah, we actually saw that camera there, and it's actually pretty clear,
self-explanatory.
Clear as day. And he showed us his video because he was recording you guys at the same time.
Okay.
So
he basically called the police on himself.
He didn't call the police.
Oh, he didn't?
No, he did not.
Oh, I thought he did. He said he was going inside to call you.
The staff called.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
That's where we're at. He's already been explained exactly what's going to happen. An arrest.
Okay.
And he'll have his day in court.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any questions? We're going to get you the case number.
Sure. Yeah, I was just going to say I just need a case number and that's it. No, and I got to tell you guys, I really appreciate you being thorough and professional and courteous.
Of course. No, you guys. And I was explaining to them because they were. I guess they were aware. You guys have a YouTube channel, I guess?
We do, yeah. The cat's out of the bag, so yeah, we do.
So,
oh, they knew about that?
Yeah, they knew about that. Gotcha. I guess they had like a company email that says, "Hey, be aware, these guys might show up."
Gotcha.
And
good on them.
And so they were aware of it, and then I guess that's why the representative came out to talk to you guys, because she's like, "Hey, maybe," and then she talked to you, and she's like, "Yeah, that's them."
So she told you the same story I told you. Well, I was speaking to the other officer.
Yeah, I
So she
overheard
did-
something weird, but anyway.
So she came out and said, just stay on the sidewalk. You guys are good. See you
Yeah,
later.
she just asked
Yeah.
if you guys need anything.
That
And
was it.
she's like, no, she's
Yeah.
like, okay, sidewalk's
Okay.
fine. Like, what
I was
am
just
gonna
hoping
do?
she told you the accurate
Yeah,
story.
no. Yeah, she was. Yeah, she
seemed like a nice enough lady.
She was. Yeah, she was actually very polite. So.
And this guy, I don't know what makes people think like that. I mean,
So,
you deal with it all the time.
You
but-
know, I guess I can understand. I can understand both sides. Okay, I can understand your guys' right to exercise your First Amendment.
Right.
I can understand his of not wanting to be recorded. Not,
well,
some people don't
I
want
can
to.
understand him, asking the question.
Yeah.
But I don't understand him
I'm
putting
not
his hands up
justifying
there.
his
Yeah.
actions.
Right.
That's not what I'm saying.
Okay.
I'm just saying I can understand his
His
curiosity
concern.
and his concern for being recorded out in public. I totally get that, because if I was out in public and I saw somebody recording, I'd be like, hey, what's
Well,
going
the only
on?
thing is though, we weren't recording him. We were recording the business.
It doesn't matter.
So
People's minds think differently. Okay, he must have thought that you guys were recording.
Is he an
him.
employee here?
To my knowledge, no.
Okay.
But I don't know that for sure.
Because I just saw when somebody left, I saw him go lock the door. So I was like, oh, maybe he's an employee.
Maybe he locked the door because he didn't want you to come in. I don't know. I don't know if he's an employee or not.
I don't think he was the first. Yeah, but all right.
So I can understand him having that curiosity. It doesn't justify
Asking the
his
questions, right.
actions
Right.
by any stretch of anyone's imagination.
Right.
But I can get it. I get it. And then I explained to the employees that while you guys are on public sidewalk, there's
Oh, and I think
crime.
they knew that.
Yeah, but and I just reiterated that. to
I
them
appreciate you
because I'm like,
educating
well,
me.
they're exercising their constitutional rights. That's like wherever my eyes can look, while I'm in public, a camera can look.
Exactly.
I mean, it's just simple. You know what I mean? That's like if I'm standing on the sidewalk looking into their yard, but I reach over their fence.
That's a different story.
That's a different story.
Yeah, we don't go to.
But if
we
they have
stick to public.
Yeah, but if they have a 2-foot fence, and I'm standing on the residential sidewalk,
Right,
and I
right.
can look over.
Yep.
That's a different story.
Exactly.
It's the First Amendment. Like.
Yep. Well, I appreciate you being so educated and properly trained. That's
That's
Well, because you know what I equate it to? It's like, let's say this guy was walking down the street and I had some name of a band on my shirt, and or a football team, and he doesn't like that football team. That's the same thing. You'll walk
he
up and
can't come
grab
to
me.
you.
Yeah.
No. And then I explained to them like, look, man, everybody's rights end where somebody else's rights begin.
That's correct.
You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Like.
Here you go, sir.
Like
this is
his
the
right-
case number.
Okay.
That's my name. That's my badge. Okay.
Okay.
That's where I'm gonna document the incident.
All right. Very good.
His right to privacy ends
Are you
at your
able to
right to
send me
not be
the
assaulted.
For evidence.
You know what I'm
Well,
saying?
you're going to want his
And the
video,
same
I'm
thing.
sure. That's the first person.
I'll send you a link. We have your info, right?
Yeah, I gave you.
So he didn't want to give me a phone number, but I have his email. So we're going to send you a link to your email.
To that email.
Okay.
So you can
Upload a copy of that video to us so we have that.
And now what happens? So he's going to be let go here on the scene, but he's actually going to get arrested.
It's a paper citation.
paper
It's
citation.
just
Arrest
same
on
amount of
paper.
weight as a physical arrest.
Okay.
But he has a day. He has
So
a day
I'm going to tell you this. I've already discussed it with myself. Have you guys already initiated the process of arresting him?
No, we haven't completed the citation.
If he wants to come out and apologize to my son, we would be willing to consider not pressing charges against him. Just want to throw that out there. That's up to him. He's probably going to tell you he doesn't want to apologize, but I just want to put that out there just to be a gentleman about it.
We'll ask him.
Okay.
I can ask him. I just don't want any other conflict. You know what I mean?
Oh, I'm getting in my truck and leaving as soon as I don't even live in the state of Arizona.
I don't think there. I'm confident there's not going to be an issue on our end. So on this end. So.
No.
Yeah, because I don't think he's going to be an issue either.
Let's just ask him.
I'll ask him.
Well, but my whole thing is, and you know what? I'm the kind of guy, I think if you leave your house, right, and you forgot your keys or you forgot your wallet, and you get 15 minutes down the road and you say, damn it, I got to turn around and go home. Maybe you were just about to get in a bad accident, and that's somebody, the powers that be,
Everything
saving
happens
you.
exactly.
So I would like to believe that maybe this incident prevented him from doing something foolish tomorrow to somebody else that would have ended a lot worse.
Could be, yeah.
You know, hopefully.
We'll, we'll ask him. Okay.
So I think he learned his lesson, and if he wants to be a man about it and apologize, we can live with that.
We'll ask him.
Okay.
We'll ask him.
All right.
Very good. What we do is we go out, we try to have productive, positive conversations, open up dialogue. We love to talk to law enforcement. We love to talk to citizens on the street. We don't approach anybody, but if somebody approaches us and they're open-minded and they want to have a conversation,
but
maybe we can learn something, maybe they can learn something.
Okay.
And we love to exercise our rights, because rights are like muscles, and if you don't exercise them, they go away or they get taken from you.
Yeah, well, I always say if it can get taken from you, it's not a right. If you have to pay for it, it's not a right.
Rights get taken from you too.
Yeah.
Just ask people in Australia.
Yeah. Well, we have a constitution. Thank God for that.
Well,
that protects us.
There's a lot of people that want to tear that piece of paper up and burn it in the fireplace.
Nope.
Were you in the military?
No, sir, I was
No.
No, but that can't happen.
Well,
I refuse to let that happen.
Well, I appreciate your vigor, but things are happening in this world, which 10 years ago we would have all said is never going to happen.
I can understand
You
that.
know, so that's what we're trying to do.
I swore
We're
an oath to protect the Constitution and people's constitutional rights, and that's what I'm going to do.
Well, you've done that here today. You representing yourself as one of the good guys here today. We like to support the good policing in this country. We
appreciate your support.
No, we definitely do. And we think that something I always ask law enforcement when I have these conversations, what do you think a good law enforcement officer's worst enemy is?
What a good law enforcement officer's worst enemy is?
Yep. 2 words.
Bad law enforcement.
Bad cop.
Yeah.
Those guys are getting good cops hurt and killed every day, every week, whatever it is. And we think that's terrible, shouldn't be that way. And I think part of it comes with there's the whole back to blue thing, and there's become that whole like brotherhood, group, gang, whatever you want to call it. And sometimes that's not doing it because bad cops are out there not doing us any favors and they're not doing you any favors.
People do that, sir. It's just a thing nowadays. That's you know what I mean? What can I tell you? People do that.
I'm gonna step out of the way and let you.
Thank you. Okay, I'm sorry I touched you. I still was just curious what this is about. I don't understand. But if you're not going to tell me, that's fine.
I'd be happy to explain it to you now.
No, we're not talking. You and I are not talking.
Oh, okay.
I just didn't understand. I thought maybe
you have that attitude. I don't want to.
No. Listen, I thought maybe you were doing a school project or something. I just was curious. I didn't want to.
You know what? Since it's my decision, then go ahead. Let's go ahead with the arrest. Then let's just do that. That's not an apology. That's not sincere, and I'm not.
Look at here.
No, I'm not interested in it. I'm not. I don't want to hear any of it.
I am sorry.
No, I don't want to hear any of it. I'm just going to proceed with filing charges, and that's the end of it.
Avoid an argument. Let's get back over here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
No, we're just going to go ahead and press charges and handle it that way.
Okay.
I'm not going to change my mind at this point. I don't flip back and forth. That's the end of it.
This one shows exactly how fast a peaceful audit can turn violent when ignorance meets ego. 2 auditors are filming from a public sidewalk outside an Arizona inspection station when a random man stops his car, storms over, and grabs one of them, a 17-year-old kid by the arm. The father immediately steps in and the teen defends himself with pepper spray, stopping the attack cold. The aggressor then makes the classic mistake, calls the cops on himself. But when officers arrive and watch the footage, it's game over. They confirm the assault, praise the auditors for keeping calm, and charge the man with 3rd-degree assault. Police handle it professionally and respectfully, showing what real law enforcement looks like when they follow the law instead of emotion. Bottom line, a grown man assaults a minor, gets pepper sprayed, and ends up charged, all on his own call. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes, and let's keep going.
Don't put me on your camera. Don't put me on your camera.
It's not very smart to call the attention of the. It's not. It's not very smart to call the attention of the camera guy if you don't want to be on camera. That's not something I would do in the future.
Sorry about that, y'all. You're on the way. Just please. Next clip will get you all right.
Now you guys missed it. He just poked his head around to see if I was still here.
Right here. Looking at my face.
Hey. Relax. I'm standing here. You walked up to me. Relax, brother.
Just take me off the camera.
Yo, you need to relax. Now I can't even take you off because I'm. Hey, relax. Don't touch me. Do not touch me. That's. Do not touch me. Do not. Okay, look. I'm gonna give you one chance to stop. Look, I'm backed into a corner now. I'm backed into a corner now. Don't, dude. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Turn it that way.
Dude, this is for self-defense now. Relax. Hey. Relax, bro. What's your issue? What's your issue? You see this?
Hey, don't worry about the cameras. Hey, we're good, sir.
You need to respect people's rights.
Respect people's rights? Do you see this? Respect people's rights? You're talking about respect people's rights?
You were the one
and you're standing up for this guy? You're standing up for this guy.
I mean,
look at this.
I have my phone too, but I don't have my camera out showing everybody that's in here.
Okay, so look, I'm going to keep backing up from you, and this is just showing that you keep stepping towards me. So we can play Ring Around the Rosie around these things for a little bit. Yeah, but I got a lot more energy than you, big guy. Oh, yeah, I know so. Oh, look, you already stopped. Oh, I told you I had more energy. You already stopped. You a little sweaty now or something, guy? Yeah. You know the cops are coming, right? So I'm going to follow you out and get your license plate now, because you're going to probably leave before the cops get here. Yeah. I'm playing.
If you need a witness, let me know.
This lady wants to be a witness for him. I'm glad I got a witness. I got a witness. I got a witness too. This is craziness, guys. This is the worst showing of anything I've ever seen while I'm doing this. This is crazy. This is crazy. You're gonna talk to me about disrespectful? You're gonna talk to me about disrespectful? You want to play Ring Around the Rosie again? Dude, let's do it. The cop is right here. Yeah, don't let him do it again because the cop is here now. So you
Hey, what's going on?
Can you ask me if that came on my face and get hurt?
before I get hurt, is that a threat or something?
What's going on? What are you doing?
I'm sitting here recording, and everybody's been literally physically attacking me. Nobody said a word until these two very nice young ladies that I've been commending the entire time on how fast they got rid of the line, and how this is the best, nicest, quickest post office I've ever seen. Then the entire thing changed as soon as I got up to the window. They said I couldn't record because it's federal property. Correct? Correct or incorrect? Excuse me? Correct or incorrect? Is that what you said?
What's the purpose of the recording? Why are you recording?
So look, I don't need to get into that right now. What I need you to do is I want to press charges against him for assaulting me and then threatening me here. So it's assault and battery.
Assaulting you?
Yes.
How are they assaulting you?
Well, you weren't here. So I was backed into a corner after being swung the bag at. It hit my hand. It exploded his bag and his blanket went on the ground. And then I backed into a corner after saying, please do not touch me again. Please do not touch me again. He grabbed my phone out of my hand, pushed me out of the way.
They pushed you out of the way?
Well, backed me up into a corner and made me, I could have defended myself, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that.
Are you doing something here?
Am I doing something? What do you mean?
Are you purchasing stamps? Are you mailing a package?
Yeah, I just came here and bought a stamp.
So are you finished?
I'm sorry?
Are you done?
What do you mean, am I done? What do you mean, am I done?
You bought your
Correct.
stamp.
Correct.
And you're still here.
You're correct.
Why?
Because I can be. What do you mean, why? Are you going to ask them why they're here too?
They're purchasing something.
Correct.
It's very clear.
Correct.
That they're purchasing.
And I just told you what I was doing, correct?
You
Or incorrect?
something.
Correct.
And you're done.
Correct.
But you have a problem with the people here, right?
No, these people have a problem with me. I have no problem. I came in here with no problem.
So why
or
do you
nothing.
want to be somewhere where people have problems with you?
I'm not in control of that. I go a lot of places where a lot of people have a problem with me, and that's not under my control.
So would you like to leave?
I'm sorry?
Would you like to leave?
Not right at this second. First of all, I'd like to press charges against this big guy right here before he leaves.
You said you've been recording,
This
right?
entire time.
So
This entire time.
incident on your phone?
Yes, it is.
I would like to see it.
Okay, perfect. So after everything is all said and done, when he walks outside, I'll take you back outside. I'll show it to you on video, and then we'll continue on from there.
Okay.
Can I just ask name and badge number just so I know who came through and talked to me?
Public Safety Officer Casey Smith, badge number 1115.
1115.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Ms. Smith. And just so you know, by the way, after we've done talking and whatever happens to him, I'm going to come back inside here. I'm just letting you know. Can you call your supervisor here as well?
My supervisor's actually off.
He's off today, so who else is above you? You're the highest. You're the highest. I'm sorry?
What do you need my supervisor?
To come here and then talk to me. Thank you. I appreciate that. Go ahead, big man. Door's wide open for you. Dude. Whoa. Heavy breathing after one little swing. Good for you. I need your help. I need you to stop him before he leaves. I need you to stop him before he leaves. And call somebody here right now.
You don't have to follow him.
Well, then you better hurry up and go get him. Because I'll make a citizen's arrest before you do, if not.
Excuse me, sir. Can you come here for a second?
She was trying to get some insurance and she wanted to know like what she have to do to buy it. Insurance? Yeah, like for the clothes. Sorry, let me call you right back, all right?
Can I just get your name, please? Melvin.
Is this legal for people to put their cameras in their face like that?
It's very complicated, sir. Melvin McMillan. What's the date of birth?
It's not very complicated. Let me uncomplicate it for you. Yes, it is.
Thank you. Good, how are you?
Multiple threats. Multiple batteries. Assault and battery.
Mental health.
You messed up today, big guy.
Shut up.
Just don't talk to me. Are you gonna show me the footage now?
No, I'm gonna wait till your supervisor gets here.
Well, then we're gonna be standing here all day.
Sounds good.
Great.
Got loads of time.
Sir, you want to speak to a supervisor?
Sorry, yeah. Yeah, sure. How you doing?
So I was being told that you wish to make a complaint about assault?
Yeah, I have video of it. I told her about it. I told her I was going to make a citizen's arrest if she continued to let him walk away. And she came up, ID'd him, let him walk away. So there's the first problem right there. You know, and then first she came here, asked me why I was doing what I was doing, telling me like, oh, if you're done, leave. Like,
I didn't tell you anything. I asked you.
you did.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, thank God we got it all on video. So she said, if you're done, then just leave. If people don't want you here, why don't you just leave?
We're going to get out of this person's way. You want to just step this way so we're out of the way of the people walking out? You want to step over here?
Dude, there's plenty of room. Relax.
I'm not kidding.
Well, you're giving me directives and I don't like it, so. What was your name and badge number? Or ID number, computer number, serial number, whatever you want to call it?
My name is Lieutenant Jason Sturkey.
893? 893. Sweet. Thank you.
So in reference to your complaint about the assault, again, that's why I was going to ask you to move over here so we didn't have to speak so loudly about your private business.
I'm good. I don't care.
The reason I asked about the assault.
I think it's closed, man, so.
What time they close?
Apparently now. What time is it?
4 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock?
No, it says 4 o'clock.
Oh. So yeah.
So you wanted to make a complaint about assault?
Yep.
All right, and she took the subject's information down?
Yep.
And you refused to give her your information? Is that what, I mean?
Is that what you said?
I asked you lots of questions. You said, I want to speak to a supervisor.
Correct.
I want to speak to a supervisor.
So do you have your ID on you? Do you have your ID on you so we can complete this report for assault?
You don't need my ID as of right this second.
If you want us to complete a report for assault, we need your information to put in the report.
So firstly, what I want to tell you is, it's absolutely despicable how she came in, asked me, the person who was complaining about getting assaulted, correct or incorrect? I'll just speak for you, correct. How she asked me what I was doing, why didn't I just leave? And you were ready and willing to have that be the end of it if I just left. If I just left, you were ready and willing to have that be the end of it. And you wouldn't have taken any information. You wouldn't have talked to him. If I didn't force you, you were standing out there ready to be on the phone. If I didn't walk and tell you that I was going to make a citizen's arrest on him, you were ready and willing to just let him walk away. So first of all, disgusting. Like I said.
Now they locked the door. If you could come back just a little bit later, I'm sorry.
What time they going on?
I have no idea.
What time is it? Can you just pull out your phone? I can't check the time while I'm recording. No? Can you just check your watch? So why are you giving me an attitude now? Why is that?
Absolutely no attitude.
So if somebody just asked you what the time was, no sir, cannot give you the time. You're ridiculous, bro. You're ridiculous. Stop being ridiculous. What time is it?
So
all right.
Is there anything that we can do for you?
Are your ears broken?
No, sir, they're not.
What time is it? I'm just asking you a simple question. I don't know why you're making it so difficult. I don't. This is how you treat the regular public? No. So why are you treating me differently?
I'm not treating you differently.
Well, if that's not how you treat the regular public, like you just said, why is it different for me?
They have the door locked.
They locked the door right now.
What time is it?
425.
Wow. Look at how difficult that was.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Wow. Wow. And they locked the door during regular business hours.
Is there anything that we as
They hold on now.
Is there anything that we as law enforcement can do for you?
Yes, stop interrupting me.
What are you trying to do?
So
So you don't want to pursue any charges for those?
I'm talking. I said don't interrupt me. Is that not what I said?
That's what you said.
Okay, so then why are you trying to walk away and not listen?
Do you want to pursue charges for the assault that you're claiming that happened?
Do you always answer questions with questions? I asked you a question.
Sorry. Come on, girl.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Ow,
Excuse me,
stop.
Sir. Don't
Do not put your hands on me.
Well, then move.
Why
you
are you
got
putting
your
your
hands
hands
on
on
me? Excuse me.
Why are you doing this?
Excuse me?
Don't touch me now.
Excuse me.
The cops are right here.
Why y'all can't do something with him? Please, I got people that's coming in.
Are you? Now let me ask you a question. If the tables were turned and I just did that to her, what would happen?
Problems.
What would happen? You would throw me on the ground and you would put me in cuffs. So why are you treating me differently? Why is it?
He's already bought his
Sturkey.
things. He don't have any
Sturkey.
other business here.
Why are you treating me different? Why is it? Why?
Is there anything that we can do for
Yes, answer the question.
I'm not treating you any differently than I would treat anybody else.
Okay, ma'am.
Should I test that? So if I backed into her and pushed her out of the way to get in, are you telling me you wouldn't do anything? You just sit here and watch? Is that what you're saying? Sturkey?
Lieutenant Sturkey.
Mr. Sturkey. Mr. Snarky. Snark, smug look on his face like he thinks something's funny.
You get everything you need? Okay.
Sir, please, not today. I don't feel like that today, okay?
Apparently you do.
He walks into a packed post office thinking it's going to be a calm day, and for a minute it is. The line is moving fast, staff is doing great, and he's literally about to give them props until the second he reaches the counter. Suddenly it turns into no cameras, federal property. He pushes back, says poster 7 allows recording, and the supervisor threatens to call police like he's committing a crime. Then the real clown show starts. A big dude storms up, gets in his face, backs him into a corner, grabs at his phone, and basically tries to bully him off the spot. Now we've got hands on someone over a camera inside a post office. Police show up, but instead of handling the assault, they act like he's the problem, asking why he's still there, telling him to leave, dodging questions, and letting the aggressor walk. And just like that, a simple stamp purchase turns into pure intimidation, zero accountability, and a post office meltdown over a damn phone camera. Let's keep going.
So you are photographing for what reason?
Just out taking pictures, taking video, enjoying the day. Yeah, more people should do it. You into history?
I am.
So think of something hundreds of years ago that you think is interesting. Wouldn't it be nice if you could watch some video of it? Or see some photographs of it?
Well, I totally get all that.
So 100 years from now, people will be looking and watching. And
Yeah, I get it. But again, people have to be willing to be videotaped.
Not out in public. Not out in public.
Well,
I wouldn't come into your store.
Yeah.
Unless you invite me in.
Yeah, I mean, well, there are systems in place with like shooting and the security here on property and stuff.
Only if I go into your store.
No, on property too. The private property as well.
This is not. This is a public sidewalk.
Okay. Well,
Well, anyway, who cares, right?
Yeah, well,
I'm talking to you. We're being
I care because I want to know how you guys.
And you still videotape. This is inappropriate.
Well, then put on your best face if you're worried about it. Right?
No, I'm not.
We don't want
I'm not
it.
worried about it. It's
Oh, doesn't matter?
morality in a sense. you know.
Well, I don't know. That's very subjective.
You guys do it.
But hey, man, I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Hey, thank you.
Hope maybe I spurred some thinking on your end. I don't know.
Not at all. Well, yeah,
there's some very famous street photographers who have come before me.
Yeah, of course. But typically, those famous street photographers would ask me, "Hey, man, is it cool if we shot in your space?"
The best shots
It's just rude to come to somebody's spot and start taking photos and doing all this without saying, "Here's how we're going to use them, guys."
That's a subjective opinion.
Well, no, yes, my opinion. As the owner of the store, it's my opinion.
Sure.
But it's a little disrespectful to like not start a conversation and then come here and start filming and stuff. And I don't want to be the jerk who's like, "Yo, security, are these guys allowed to be here?"
And I'll tell you what.
But it's just the approach that, as of now, I don't appreciate.
Okay.
So, you know, like I said, you can still continue to film this and take this and put it on whatever platform you want to put it on, but I'm just letting you know that I don't appreciate it.
Well, I wish I could walk away and leave you with a smile on your face and not being upset about it.
It's okay. I'm not upset.
We're not we're not up to no good, man. We're just out enjoying the day.
Keep enjoying, brothers.
All right. I hope you expand your mind, man.
Oh, it's pretty expanded. I
don't know. You didn't show that here today, but
I hope you expand your business. So now security is going to be called because you're a fucking piece of shit.
What do you say? Now security's getting called? Wow, you must be an angry dude, man.
I am.
Are you?
Yeah.
That's a shame.
Yeah.
What is this, BM Franklin and Company, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I was you, I'd be a little more worried about who might see it.
Yeah, I know.
You're not giving yourself a good look.
I know. It's
I'm putting I'm trying to be civil
instead of you over
and you just keep talking and you don't.
Well, yeah, you keep running your damn mouth because you're rude and you think that you can just come and film any place that you want. Okay, gotcha. You're right.
All right, go get security and you'll learn a lesson today. It's a good day for an education, folks. Have a good day.
Go get security if I can't go. Let me hit it. So that's that. Appreciate you, bro. I'll go back to my shop.
Have a good day.
Have a good one, brother.
I know. How we doing, sir?
What's going on?
Got me. I'm just here to keep him honest.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what? Are you filming me?
Sorry, I can't hear you because of the motor there.
Are you filming me?
Yes, I am.
What's going on?
I'm out taking pictures of your beautiful village here.
Okay.
That's what's going on.
Did you get permission?
Did I get permission from who?
From the property owners.
No.
Okay. When you have this type of setup, see, they will allow, you know, people have their phones, whatever. They'll allow that, but when people come out with this type of setup, they need permission.
Well, permission to go into the stores. The stores are private property.
No, they have to get permission when you have a setup like this.
On the sidewalk?
Yeah.
I would have to respectfully disagree with you. It's a public sidewalk.
Okay, I can send you to the office.
Oh, I'm not interested in going to the office. But like I said, you agree with me? This is a public sidewalk. And you know the rules on public sidewalk. Let me just save you a lot of trouble. I'm not the guy you're going to bluff, so you got to come at me with the reality.
No, I'm not trying to do all of that.
And let me just ask you a quick one. Are you on duty or you off duty?
I'm on duty.
Is this a side gig for you? You're actually working for the department?
Can you stop filming me?
No. I want to know what's your name and badge number. I want to know who I'm speaking with, please.
Oh, it's one of those situations.
Well,
I mean, you said we were going to be... So it's one of those situations?
All right, my name is Jason. I'll introduce myself first.
I'm Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Yes.
And you're working right now for the police department, correct? So I just asked for your name and badge number.
Yeah, I'm working.
I just want you to identify yourself, who you are. I'm speaking to you. You're acting in your official capacity, right?
So
giving out orders.
So what actually happened with the guy?
I have no idea.
He said it was about to get physical, or he was afraid that...
That's why I came down here, to make sure he wasn't exaggerating things to you. You know how when people call 911, they always tell a big dramatic story to get you there?
So he said that. What happened?
About taking pictures. Walking around taking pictures.
So it wasn't physical. What did he say to you?
No, he said he was under the impression that I needed his permission to take his picture. And I didn't take his picture until he came out. I was taking a picture of the front of his business.
Okay.
That's what we're doing. So are you going to identify yourself as a police officer or no?
Give me 1 second.
All right, have a good day.
I don't even think this guy's a cop. I think he's private security.
He's wearing a police.
I know. And this street is public.
Can't be on the premise.
Okay, let me tell you how you can be on the premises. If you go see the leasing office and get a pass, and then you're all good to film it.
That's if I want to go onto the private property.
It's not private. The whole thing is private property. That's why we got a property.
Even the sidewalk?
Yeah, that's why we got property manager. This whole property is, you can't even smoke it.
This gentleman APD right here?
Yeah, this is APD.
Yeah, they're gonna have somebody to come up here and speak with you guys
No
about
problem at all,
this.
man. No problem at all.
So I'll just wait.
You still don't want to identify? All right. I'll be on the public sidewalk, man. Okay. Is that this is a public sidewalk, okay? And on a public sidewalk, I have every right to take pictures, right?
Sir, property management is asking you to stop taking photos of the storefronts.
That's all. When is PD getting here?
This is PD. You're looking at them right now.
You're Atlanta PD?
I would like for you, and the property management would like for you, and the tenants would like for you to stop taking photos of their store.
All right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to walk down the street off of your property, and I'm going to call your police department. I'm going to speak to your chief. Okay?
Have fun, sir. But I ask you now, please.
And the only reason I'm doing that is because this guy's got his handcuffs out in his hand. So what is that, some veiled threat of arrest? You're making me nervous, okay? And I need your name and badge number. I want you to identify yourself, and I'm leaving. All right, don't identify yourself. Watch what happens next. Watch. Watch. Watch and learn, tough guy with your handcuffs. Watch. I'm leaving. And you're going to learn the rules. You're going to learn to live in a free country, my man. I need police. So I am taking some pictures out on a public sidewalk. I'm out with my son. First time we've ever been in Buckhead Village here. We did our research. We are on a a public sidewalk, and you have a guy who is stating that he's a police officer, who I don't believe, threatening to arrest me for taking pictures on a public sidewalk. So I just ran off. He's walking around with a shirt on that says police. He's got a badge that says Lauderdale something. He won't identify himself. He won't give me his name and badge number. And he took his handcuffs out, and he's threatening to arrest me for taking pictures on a sidewalk, on a public sidewalk. So I'm right now in fear for my safety, and I'd like an officer here, please. All right, man. Thank you.
How's it going, buddy?
Good. How you doing, sir?
What's going on?
So my name's Jason.
How you doing, Officer Bradshaw? How's it
Pleasure to
going?
meet you, Officer Bradshaw.
Officer Bradshaw, buddy.
Appreciate
How's it going?
So this is my son, Ben, and we are over here walking around, taking some pictures. We make YouTube videos. And we're walking around. We had some very cordial interactions with some people. No problems. And then security comes out with that gentleman that's wearing a police vest. I don't know if he's actually a police officer or not. He refused to identify himself.
Yeah, some of those guys, what they are, they're certified with the state, but they're not. They don't belong to like Atlanta police, but they have like the certifications through the state.
Does that give him powers of arrest?
Yes.
Because he threatened to arrest. Just so you know, we're in front of the Hermes store, okay, which is public sidewalk. And I'm standing on a public.
That's actually private property over there.
It's not.
Yeah.
Only on that side.
Yeah. No, over there they close it off. That's that whole streets of Buckhead. Yeah. I guess the people who bought that whole streets of Buckhead, that's all private property in there. Yeah.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
I don't want to give you a hard time, but it's this sidewalk. Like if I went across the street and walked up that sidewalk, that's a public
property.
That's a public sidewalk.
No, that's private.
It is, sir.
Okay. So what's going on? What happened?
So I'm on a public sidewalk, and I got threatened to get arrested for taking pictures. And I ran it. He took his handcuffs out, walked behind me.
Okay.
Never asked me to leave at that point. When he did ask me to leave, I left. I said I was going to come call Atlanta PD.
Okay.
He identified himself as a police officer.
Okay.
And that's a public street.
Yeah.
That is absolutely. I could show you it's a public street. I looked at the GIS survey maps and everything before I came here. I did my homework.
Okay.
I know it's a public street.
All right. So what's going on with you?
I just want to be free to take I'm out with my son. First time we've ever been here.
Yeah.
We're traveling the country. We make YouTube videos. And I was just going around. I actually have to go to Louboutin because I want to get my wallet engraved. They owe me a free engraving. And that's it. We're out enjoying the day, taking pictures, man. That's it.
Yeah.
I'm not harassing anybody. I'm not interviewing anybody. I'm not talking.
Yeah, I understand. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's private property. And the reason being, like I said, at nighttime, they block off these whole areas where it's not open to the public. At nighttime, they block it all off. It's not open to the public.
Well, the sidewalk is public. I can assure you that.
Okay. All right.
It absolutely is. And with all due respect, I'm not trying to give you a hard time, but I do my research because I don't want to get into these situations.
Right.
This is what I do for a living. I'm a professional photographer for 35 years.
So what is all you guys just trying to take pictures?
Yeah, I had to go to the Louboutin store, and I said to my son, let's take the cameras. They got some beautiful shops, beautiful stores. Want to go to Louboutin, get my wallet done, maybe get something to eat. And I'm taking pictures, and they threaten to arrest me for taking pictures on a public sidewalk. And that's completely unacceptable.
Yeah. All right. Just give me a second. Let me make a phone call. But I believe, I'm going to double check, but I'm pretty sure.
Well, don't call their office, because they can tell you whatever. You want me to show you on the map?
No, you don't have to show me on the map. I know over there. I'm almost 100% sure it's private property over there.
Okay.
So, all right?
Yeah, if you could confirm, how would you confirm it then?
Yeah. I'm going to talk to the property owners.
Well, they're going to tell you it's private, and they don't want us there.
Well,
that's not the fact. It's a public. You have to look at the GIS survey. You have to look at the government survey maps. Your city maintains these sidewalks. They don't.
Okay.
This is a public sidewalk. There's public utilities on that street. It's a public sidewalk.
Okay.
And I don't want to wind up filing a lawsuit against these people for nonsense. I just want to go back there, take my pictures, get my lunch, get my wallet taken care of, and hit the road, man.
Right. All right, just give me a second.
My problem is I don't want to be unlawfully
I understand.
told to leave public property.
And I don't want to tell you to leave.
Right.
I don't want to tell you to leave public property.
But you can't just take their word for it, because they're going to tell you what they want to tell you.
That's why I said I'm going to make a phone call.
Okay. I appreciate that, because that's like you taking my word. I wouldn't want you to just take my word either.
Right. I understand. Just give me a second, okay?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Thank you.
Here's the GIS map on Atlanta.gov right here.
So Watchman just brought up a copy of the GIS survey map, which is on Atlanta.gov, that shows that as a public street. I don't know. I mean, we were just going to walk around a little bit and check things out. I could just tell you seem like a very respectful dude, and I appreciate that.
Yeah, you guys should be fine.
We're allowed on that property, correct? Are you going to let them know so he doesn't put me in handcuffs? I don't trust that guy.
I'm going to go over there and talk to him.
All right. And you know what? I want to thank you. I was just going to point out to you also, the public libraries on that street.
Yeah.
They don't own that street. And I appreciate you doing the homework, taking the extra steps, and you should be commended. We thank you for that. No problem. I appreciate it. So I'm going to walk back up there. On the word of Bradshaw. Thank you, Officer Bradshaw. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We're going back in. Yes, sir.
Do me one favor. Just make sure you're not like blocking the entrances.
Oh no, I wouldn't do anything here that I wouldn't do on a public street.
Okay.
Absolutely. I'm not looking to interfere with anybody.
Okay.
I'm not looking to block any entrances. I'm not looking to make anybody upset. Just out enjoying a beautiful day, man.
All right, no problem.
And I appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So
Yeah, because I went over there last week. We had a good time.
And I need this gentleman's name. I need your name for the complaint.
Okay, I'll talk to you.
I need your name for the complaint. You got to identify yourself. Be a big man, admit you were wrong.
Says who?
We could shake hands and be friends. I'm giving you a last chance. You made a mistake, bro. It's not a big deal. Why don't you just man up, shake my hand?
You mean the guy who was representing the property owners?
You pulled out your handcuffs to intimidate
That's who you talking about?
No,
The
I'm
guy
talking about you. Stop
who was-
walking around me.
Why?
Don't walk into me.
Why?
Yo, don't walk into me.
I'm just
Do not walk into me,
I
man.
can't walk this way?
You don't learn, huh?
I can't walk this way?
You don't learn. I need to know who you are. What's your name?
I can't walk this way?
What's your name?
I'm just trying to walk.
What, you think I'm intimidated by you? I'm not now. I'm not now.
You not now?
No, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm not. Not at all.
Okay. Well, that's cool.
You're
You
part of the
have to
problem
be.
with this society. Why don't you identify? I need your name for the complaint. And I'm going to find it out either way.
I know you are.
Yo, you know I am. So I'm going to put my hand out one more time. You want to be friends and end this nice? My name is Jason
right.
Gutterman, sir. Can I please
Who's
have
Goggins?
Can I please have your name?
Who's Goggins?
May I please have your name, but I'll have all the conversation with you want.
I tried to talk
I'll
to
tell you
over
my
there.
Yeah, but you had handcuffs in your hand.
No, before that.
You just scared the shit out of me like you were going to arrest me.
No. When I got out my car, remember? I tried to talk.
Can you please give me your name? I'm going to find it out anyway.
I know. I told you.
You're going to lose your job. If you don't give me your name, you're going to lose your job.
Why?
I'm telling you right now.
Why?
You wouldn't be the first guy to lose their job.
Why?
You took your
I'm asking
handcuffs
why.
out and intimidated and threatened me on a public sidewalk.
How did I threaten you?
With arrest.
How did I threaten you with arrest?
Come on, don't play stupid with me.
How did I threaten you
Listen
with
to me.
arrest?
I'm going to ask you one last time, then I'm going to go fill out every business in this place. What is your name?
How did I threaten you
What
with arrest?
is your name?
How did I threaten
Don't
you with
touch my
arrest?
camera with
I'm
that
not touching
shit.
your
Take it.
camera.
You know, you don't learn, huh? You're going to learn a valuable lesson from me, my friend. Time to go to school. Time to go to school. You spent all those years doing what you did. How many people did you violate? How many people? What kind of nightmares do you have at night, man? Seriously.
I asked you not
want somebody to treat
to
your
not
children
film
the
me.
way you treat me? You want somebody to treat your children the way you treat me? This is my child, man. This is my child, and you're a disrespectful.
You mean my black son in America?
I don't care what color he is. I got all kinds of friends, man. You
You
don't
the
know
only
who you're
one.
talking
You
to.
the only one that
You don't
don't
know who
care.
you're talking to, and now you're gonna learn.
Okay.
You're gonna learn a big lesson. Don't push me off the
I'm
curb,
not-
bro.
I'm not gonna
I ain't
push you.
afraid of you, man.
I ain't gonna push
I ain't
you.
afraid. Don't push me off the curb.
I promise I won't push you off the
Can you
curb.
please, sir?
You want to identify
you are
yourself?
causing a disturbance.
You caused the disturbance by
Can you
threatening me with arrest on a public sidewalk. So go away. I don't know what it's arrested. No, I'm not going to stop. Now I'm going to go photograph every single business and every person on the street. And you're going to lose
They're
your
gonna
job,
sue
and I'm going to
you.
make damn sure of it. They're going to sue me.
Yeah.
I'm going to sue the living pants off of you people. You just wrecked yourself. And I gave him a chance to fix it. So they can all blame this man right here who keeps wanting to walk into my camera. Loser. Absolute loser. Get out of my way. You're a piece of shit, bro. You're an absolute piece of shit. I'm going to make sure you get flushed down the fucking...
Please don't
You're
threaten
gone,
me.
bro. You're gone.